Why is it that some people feel instantly better the moment they start tidying up, while others feel overwhelmed just looking at a messy room? Believe it or not, both reactions come from the same place in the brain, and the reason might surprise you. Loving to organize isn't really about neatness, it's about control. When life feels chaotic, your brain hunts for something predictable, and organizing becomes a way to create order on the outside when things feel messy on the inside. Had a stressful day? Suddenly reorganizing a drawer feels soothing. It's not random, it's your brain trying to stabilize you. And the science backs this up. Every time you finish a small task, making your bed or wiping a counter, your brain releases dopamine, that little good job hit. Plus, a tidy room can lower cortisol, your stress hormone. That lighter feeling after cleaning, that's your biology doing its thing. But there's something deeper. Your subconscious treats your environment like a safety signal. Clutter whispers unfinished business all day long. For people who feel everything intensely, that whisper becomes noise. So they don't organize to be impressive, they do it to feel safe and quiet inside. For others, organizing is self-expression. The home becomes a canvas. The way books are arranged, plants displayed, or a room is set up. It's art through space. And for many, the rhythm of sorting or sweeping becomes a form of meditation. It grounds them without needing to sit still. And here's the emotional part. Organizing is often about letting go. Every item you release, old clothes, broken gadgets, unused gifts, is a tiny version of saying, I don't need this part of me anymore. That's why decluttering can feel weirdly heavy or even tearful. You're rewriting your inner story through your stuff. Your surroundings reflect your mind. A space whispers, you're capable. A messy one whispers, you're overwhelmed. Cleaning becomes a way to shift that internal conversation, changing the outside to change the inside. Because organizing isn't really about objects, it's about choosing. This matters, this stays, this can go. Every shelf is a reflection of how you want to feel, clear, calm, intentional. So next time you catch yourself feeling better after organizing, don't downplay it. That's self-care happening in real time, body, mind, and soul lining up. Peace isn't something you find, it's something you create, one small task at a time. Are you like this too? Drop a comment and tell me what organizing does for you. And don't forget to subscribe. We break down everyday habits and explain the psychology simply.